with me to get my makeup done. During my visit to Korea, I was able to get my makeup done at Jungnam, and they paired me with their makeup artist Hamin. Some of my favorite Korean actresses get their makeup done here, such as Ki-eun-se and Song Ji-hyo, so I knew I could trust them with my face. First thing that they started off with was prepping my skin with a bit of toner and a really light hand with a cotton pad. Next, they went in with a super lightweight moisturizer. I wasn't able to get which moisturizer they used, but it felt very lightweight and absorbed into the skin very easily. Most Korean makeup artists really like to have a natural looking skin finish, so you can see that they're going in with a really careful and light hand with the moisturizer and the skin prep. And they did not forget the lips when it came to the skin prep. Now to start the skin prep, they went ahead and mixed some foundation with concealer. From what I could see, they were using the Jungsaemmool concealer. As you can see, they went in with a super light hand. That'll be a theme throughout this whole makeup session. And they went in very, very carefully and in detail to make sure the skin finish was just absolutely perfect.
메이크업 하는 거 재밌나요?
네. 아마 재미없었으면 못했을 거예요. 저희는 메이크업 시작하면서 스텝 때가 진짜 힘들거든요.
그럴 것 같아요.
모든 준비 과정을 다 준비를 해야 되고 저도 이제 세팅을 해야 되고 그 시기 때가 제일 힘들기 때문에 안 좋아하면 못하는 거예요.
Seriously, the trick to a seamless finish definitely seems to be layering in really, really light layers.
벌써 확 달라졌는데요?
그럼요. 베이스가 제일 중요하다.
베이스 제품은 어떤 거 사용하셨어요?
저는 일단은 색깔 맞추기 위한 컨실러를 제외하고 나서는 정샘물만 써드렸어요.
Next, she went in with concealer, super in detailed and thoroughly to cover any imperfections. You can see she's really mixing the colors a lot to make sure that it was perfect for my skin tone. They went in with the same palette that they used the concealer with to add some shading throughout my face.
처음 보는 브랜드가 엄청 많은 것 같아요.
화장품 하는 걸 진짜 좋아해요. 뭔가 저거 뭐지 하면서 사보는 느낌이 많아요.
I love that she really took her time layering the contour so that it looked as natural as possible. For blush, she started off with a super muted toned down color just to add a little bit more color to my face. Instead of going in with a typical swiping motion, she had a really light tapping motion that applied the blush so nicely and just helped build the color very naturally. And for the next layer, she mixed some colors from this eyeshadow palette to create another dimension in the blush. Here she is adding another layer of contour in more detail. I told her I was super insecure about my nose, and I could tell she was putting a lot of effort into making it as snatched as possible. Again, it was all about really carefully building the color slowly so that it looks as natural as possible. After this round of contour, she went in with the concealer again to really lighten up the areas that needed highlight on my nose. To set my face, she went ahead and used the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. You can see that she went in with the smaller setting brush to really make sure that the areas that should be matte are matte and areas that don't need to be matte are not. Moving on to eyeshadow, she really took so much time on making sure this was absolutely perfect. I think this is the first time that I've experienced a makeup artist being so thorough with even the aegyo. You can really see that she spent a lot of time thoroughly blending the eyeshadow so that it's as seamless as possible. She started off with the eyeliner with my eyes open, which I really appreciated because my eyes, it looks quite different with the open and closed with eyeliner, so it's really easy for the eyeliner to be overdone on my eyes. But this way she was able to see exactly where the eyeliner would land with my eyes open, so it was just perfect. She brought the eyeliner further out than I usually do, but I actually really liked it. It really opened up my eyes. After getting the general shape of the eyeliner, then she went in and tightlined my eyes.
아이라이너가 이렇게 길게 빠지는 처음인데 너무 신기해요. 뭐 과할 줄 알았는데 전혀 그런 게 아니고.
이것도 이제 여백을 덮어줄 수 있고 오늘은 사진도 찍으시게 되니까 조금 길게 빼시는 게 사진에서 많이 나요. 옆에도 더 올리실 거고 이따가 내사까지 보면은 이게 빠진 느낌이 좀 덜하실 거예요. 뒤쪽으로 좀 더 눈썹도 가니까. 라인을 주는 이미지가 많이 다르니까.
She carefully curled my lashes very thoroughly and then combed it out. Now it was time to apply the false lashes. She went in with very dainty single lashes to give it a very dolly look. I'm not usually a huge fan of false lashes, but the way that the Korean makeup artists apply it to make it look so natural, but also really open at the eyes, I really love how they do it. After all the false lashes were applied, she finally went in with the coat of mascara, and then she went in with these tweezers to clump the lashes together to create a really dolly look. This technique is used a lot in Korea by makeup artists, especially on idols and actresses, to give the lashes a really defined look. Now to really hold the curl and blend the lashes together, she went in with this technique using two wooden sticks that are heated up to really help hold the curl. After finishing up the lashes, she went back in with the highlighter to really bring out the 애교살. I told her that my eye makeup usually smudges really easily because of my moon eyes, and she applied this magic sealer. This works so well, I actually ended up purchasing it for myself. I naturally have pretty dark eyebrows, so you can see here for the first step of the eyebrow prep, she went in with a really light colored eyeshadow. You could also see that she's brushing out the eyebrows between every application. After softly defining my eyebrows with the eyeshadow, then she went in with the eyebrow pencil to add in strokes like strands that brought out the shape of my eyebrows more and elongated the eyebrows. Lastly, for the brows, she went in with this eyebrow gel to really define the eyebrows one last time. Guys, I'm so sorry, but my battery ran out by the end of this clip. After the eyebrows, she concluded with a matte lip and gloss. I was so impressed with the results, and I feel like I learned so much from just getting my makeup done. I hope you took away some helpful makeup tips as well. Thank you for watching!